Pune, the land of great King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It is a cultural and educational hub of India, known as Oxford of the East. Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be university, is one of the most renowned educational institutes in India. Bharati Vidyapeeth was founded by Honorable Dr. Patangrao Kadam in 1964, nurtured by Honorable Dr. Shivaji Rao Kadam, Chancellor, Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be university, Pune. Flourished under the dynamic guidance of Honorable Dr. Vishwajit Kadam, Secretary, Bharati Vidyapeeth. Successfully progressive towards infinite achievements with the caring and ambitious touch of Honorable Dr. Asmita Jagtap, Executive Director, Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical Foundation, Pune. College of Ayurveda is privileged to be a part of this educational empire aimed at student-centric approach with excellent education and unbeatable infrastructure. A blossom of natural surroundings make one's educational days really memorable. Presently, the college paves its path through the vibrant directions of Honorable Dr. Abhijit Patil, Dean and Principal, College of Ayurveda.
Dear friends, our College of Ayurveda Bharati Vidyapeeth was established by Honorable Dr. Patangrao Kadam with an intake of 100 seats for a BMS program. A very good infrastructure and high standards of education being the virtue of Bharati Vidyapeeth, 11 higher education institutions including College of Ayurveda got deemed to be university status in 1996. Our College of Ayurveda has started imparting postgraduate education in 1999. Today we offer 35 programs in Ayurveda, including UG Diploma in Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences, graduate program BMS, postgraduate diploma programs in 5 clinical specializations, postgraduate degree programs MDMS, and doctorate Ph.D. program in all 14 specializations. We possess separate multi-storied buildings for college and hospital in the same campus. College of Ayurveda has carved a niche in the field of Ayurveda, not only in India, but globally also. The college is approved by Central Council of Indian Medicine and Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, New Delhi. It has also been re-accredited by NAC, Bengaluru, with A+ grade. Recently, the Ayurveda hospital got pre-accreditation by NABH. The hospital is meant to offer excellent clinical exposure and also the collaborative and funded research programs to the students. Foreigners do come here for regular programs as well as short-term courses in Ayurveda and also for Panchakarma treatment. Our strong alumni foundation extends within and outside India also. They are well-known Ayurveda clinicians and entrepreneurs having their own pharmacy, Panchakarma centers, spas and hospitals also. Our efficient faculty stands as a feather in our cap. Out of total 77 faculty, 30 have completed their Ph.D. and 17 are pursuing.
A spacious, double-storied, spectacular library is the most adorable study corner of our students. Collection of a huge number of books of Ayurvedic and allied sciences, including rare ones, is indeed the treasure of knowledge. There are more than 22,000 reference books, research journals, with digital library for ease of updated knowledge in the Ayurveda field. Institution classrooms are capacious with comfortable sitting arrangement and are well equipped with audio-visual teaching aids and e-learning. A well-equipped, multi-storied, patient-centric Ayurveda hospital with all amenities is situated in college campus only. Ayurveda Hospital is running successfully under the energetic governance of our medical director, Dr. Shubhangi Katkar.
It's a privilege to describe our Ayurvedic hospital. Motto of the Bharati Vidyapeeth is social transformation to dynamic education. And with our dynamic management, now our Ayurvedic hospital is one of the best in the field of Ayurveda. We have 200-bed PMC registered hospital with integrated approach. Hospital is well equipped with 4 operation theatres, X-ray, pathology lab, labor room, ICU, NICU, Panchakarma center, yoga center and Ayurvedic pharmacy. We have executive Panchakarma with trained staff and many patients from globe taking regular Panchakarma therapy. Hospital is well known for its clinical research projects which are going on, and it's funded by ICMR, Ayush and various pharma company. We all staff, paramedical staff, are proud to be a part of Bharati Vidyapeeth Ayurved College and Hospital.
College has 14 departments, which includes clinical, paraclinical and preclinical departments. Every capacious department is enriched with department-specific libraries, museums, laboratories, digital PG seminar halls and staff cabins with separate HOD rooms. Prasutitantra evam Stri Roga is an important clinical department, principally dealing with childbirth, parturition and gynecological disorders. Abundant deliveries and surgeries contributes to the proficiency of our PG students. Prime objective of the department is to promote Ayurvedic modalities to maintain women health. Department of Kaumarbhrutya. Scope of this department starts from neonatal and pediatric age groups to develop a healthy individual. Department offers Ayurvedic care for neonates and pediatric patients. Department also conducts the unique activity of Suvarna Prashan. It also contributes in the National Immunization Program by administering various vaccines. The department has well-equipped Level 2 8-bedded NICU and 26-bedded pediatric ward, including Pediatric Panchakarma unit. Department of Shalya. The array of this department ranges from classical-based surgeries like Sharasutra, Agnikarma to modern surgeries like laparoscopy, urosurgeries and orthopedic surgeries. The department has 2 major operation theatres and 1 septic operation theatre. Major OT contains a well-equipped C-arm instrument and ample of laparoscopic and general surgeries are carried out here. Department Museum comprises specimens and instruments. Department of Shalakya. This department deals with eye, ear, nose and throat. Ayurveda-based treatment modalities like Tarpan, Uttapak, Ashchotan, Nasya are consistent procedures in this department. In ophthalmic OPD here, apart from the routine checking equipments, specialized ultra-modern instruments like the autorefractometer, slit lamp, indirect ophthalmoscope are also used for patient examination. ENT OPD is well equipped with fiber optic headlamp and audiometer. A spacious AC operation theatre contains 2 ophthalmic and 2 ENT operating microscopes for hands-on surgical training of PG students. Phacoemulsification surgery is also a regular procedure in OT here. Department of Kayachikitsa. This department acts as a supreme foundation for the core level Ayurvedic treatments. Department successfully runs a huge general OPD, specialized OPDs like fever OPD, skin OPD, DOTS for tuberculosis OPD. Multiple chronic disorders are successfully treated here based on the basic principles of Ayurveda. Clinical experience is gained by students through the hands-on training in a fully equipped ICU with the help of trained staff and super specialty team of doctors. Not to be missed is the skin OPD here. In addition to the emphasis on Ayurveda-based diagnosis and treatment, it performs various ultra-modern instrument-based skin disease treatments like microderma abrasion for acne and Wood's lamp for vitiligo. Department of Panchakarma. It deals with purification of body by Panchakarma procedures. Department has separate male and female Panchakarma units. All the Shodhan procedures such as Vaman, Jalavkaucharan are performed here on classical basis. A good number of allied procedures like Shirodhara, Patrapottali, are also performed in this department. A separate physiotherapy unit is a unique feature of this department. It is well equipped with various instruments for rehabilitation of patients like IFT, traction, finger and hand exercises. Department of Roganidana एवं विकृति विज्ञान. The academic lab of this department is well equipped with clinical instruments, microscopes, charts, and museum to give hands-on practical training to students. The department has a 24/7 central pathology laboratory where advanced techniques of investigations are done on fully automated machines for investigation in the field of hematology, serology, biochemistry, and clinical pathology. The department has a well-established digital X-ray and ultrasonography unit for diagnostic purposes. The Department of Swasthavritta and Yoga executes an important role in health promotion through holistic approach. It has a museum displaying charts, models, and specimens, a spacious yoga hall with an adequate space for practical training of yogasanas and pranayam. Department has Swasthya OPD with practical approach towards yoga and naturopathy. The Department of Agadatantra एवं विधि वैद्यक deals with Ayurved and contemporary toxicology, forensic medicine, and medical jurisprudence. Its museum has around 250 specimens, including various sharp, blunt, and heavy weapons, plant, metal, and animal poisons. Models related with hanging, strangulation, fingerprints, etc. for medico-legal perspective. Department has Arcade of Vishagna Mahakashai, an antidote special collection. The Department of Dravyaguna is exploring the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics of Ayurvedic herbs. Departmental museum with 500 raw material specimens and the spacious laboratory is indeed irreplicable. Herbal garden is a voluminous sprawling greenery of 2 acres. It has more than 285 species, 1200 plants and rare herbs. This herbal garden is a source of inspiration for identification of medicinal herbs to students. Rare and endangered medicinal plant varieties are collected from all over the country as a part of efforts for biodiversity conservation. The main attraction of garden is representation of some important taxa of different eco-climatic conditions. The Department of Rasashastra एवं Bhaishajya Kalpana deals with Ayurvedic pharmaceutics and pharmacology. Hands-on training is imparted to UG and PG students for preparation of classical and innovative quality Ayurvedic formulations. Drug research is the core part of this department. UG, PG, and Ph.D. students work on characterization, pharmacotherapeutics, and bioavailability of herbal and herbomineral formulations. A state-of-art pharmacy is functioning in an independent building attached to the college. 126 Ayurvedic formulations are prepared in the pharmacy for practical training of the students and are supplied to our own hospital. The Department of Samhita and Siddhanta is bridging Ayurveda concepts with present-era healthcare. Its treasure includes rare Samhitas with rare commentaries and copies of selective manuscripts. This literature wealth, along with the models, video clips, and drug specimens, are meticulously referred as the teaching tools. The Department of Rachana Sharir welcomes you with a very unique concept of 2 human statues based on Ayurvedic Pramana Sharir. The department has an excellent museum with a variety of rare models, including Marma models and specimens. Its Ayurveda Sharir Museum is well elaborative and unique. Its spacious, well-ventilated dissection hall preserves 10 human cadavers every year for detailed teaching of human anatomy to students. The Department of Kriya Sharir, well-equipped laboratories, learning models, and schematic museums are the specialities of this department. Various Ayurvedic charts explaining the principles of Kriya Sharir, learning models of urine formation, cardiovascular system response analyzer, psychogalvanometer can be called the crux of this department.
In a gist, I assure student-centric approach, unique campus, excellent infrastructure, a well-known Ayurveda hospital attracting huge number of patients, and a conducive atmosphere for the research. All have made our College of Ayurveda, Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university, one of the best Ayurveda institutions in India.
With this strong educational foundation, the students of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Ayurveda, Pune are evolving as successful practitioners, entrepreneurs, academicians, and much more.